This is Hope. Hope is a 2-year-old child mix. Where you going, Hope? Hope, where you going? Hi, you want to say hi to the camera? Huh? Yeah, there's Hope. She's just so beautiful. She's so sweet. She is a little nervous when you first meet her. Down, Hope. Come on, buddy. Okay, go get it. Go get it, Hope. Oh, no. Go get it, Hope. Go get it, Hope. Go. Go, Hope, go. Get it, Hope. Get it, Hope. Where'd it go? Yes. Where'd it go, Hope? Where'd it go? Where'd it go, Hope? Very playful girl. Although she doesn't play fetch very well, but she'll run around like crazy. Huh, Hope. They come get me. Huh. Yeah, come get me. Okay, bye. Bye, Hope.